Crafting a resume that stands out in a sea of application in today's market, that is tough. So, what if we use ChatGPT to improve and optimize our resumes to make us stand out? So, today we will be exploring how to use ChatGPT and prompting for making our resume stand out. What we'll be covering today is identifying areas of improvement in your specific resume, tailor your resume for specific job descriptions, write strong action words, metrics, keyword rich summaries that grab attention, and creating strong professional summary. All in all, things you need to make your resume stand out. I will be giving you specific prompts, so make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. And if you want the specific resumes that I'm showing here in a PDF format, please comment below and I can get those to you. So get ready to supercharge your resume with power of ChatGPT. Let's get started. So go to chat.openai.com. Here you'll see something like this. In the message ChatGPT box, here is where we're going to add the prompts. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to give it a role so that ChatGPT knows what it's performing as. So I'm going to type in role, you're a career coach and an expert resume writer. You're going to help me improve my resume. Do you understand? Okay, so that's perfect. It's saying that I do understand and I'm happy to help you fine-tune your resume. It's asking me to share my resume with it. So I already have a resume here that I'm just going to copy paste, and this is an ATS format. Make sure that you use an ATS compatible resume. Again, if you want the specific format that I'm using here, just comment below and I can send you the ATS compatible resume. It is very important to use that because if you use other resumes that are not very compatible, then the automated bot that most companies use will automatically reject your resume. So that's the first thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit Control A to select everything, Control C to copy everything, and I'm going to go over to my ChatGPT prompt and I'm just going to copy everything like as is. So there you have it. Once I pasted my resume, it's telling me how I can improve it because I already gave it a role that it's an expert resume reviewer and a career coach. So based on that role, it's already giving me suggestions on what I can improve. Now, let's give it specific prompts. So the first thing I'm going to say is that review this resume and identify any area and specificity that could be improved to better convey the candidate's qualifications and achievements. It's saying that ensure consistency in formatting job titles and company names. So it's already picked up that in my resume I'm using different kind of formattings, which is not good. It's telling me to quantify my achievements. It's telling me that while I have provided some quantitative data, I could make it more stronger. For example, specify the dollar amount saved or revenue generated. That could make it stand out more. It's also telling me to provide some more context about the project details. It's also telling me to make some impact statements, also adding the technical skills and professional development. Okay, so that's all wonderful. So for the next prompt, we're going to ask that based on the resume provided, can you highlight the unique strengths and achievements that sets me apart from other applicants? Okay, so that's good. At least we're doing some things right. It's saying that there are definitely some good things. It's highlighting basically the strengths of this resume. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to have it write a professional summary because we have not included that. So one thing about the professional summary is if you have less than 4 to 5 years of experience, you can skip adding it. It's once you have more than 5 years experience, it's usually recommended to add it. I'm going to say write a professional summary and keep it short and professional, highlighting my skills. So this is something you can add it on top of your resume. I don't like this formatting. I'm going to say, can you format above in bullet points? Okay, so there we have it. And okay, so there we have it. It's giving me bullet points, and I'm still not really happy with it. And you can kind of tweak it according to how you like it. I'm going to ask it to rewrite above and make sentences shorter so that it can be fit in one page resume. Okay, much better. So now it's not wasting a lot of space, and I can easily copy paste this into the resume, and I can still be able to fit it in the one page resume. Okay, that's great. So another thing we can do is, if I'm looking for a specific title and specific job description, I can tell it that, hey, create a summary that showcases my skills and experience relative to a specific title. Here you can replace the title that you're looking for. So I'm going to say a lead program manager role. There you have it. So it's tweaked it a little, but it's again given me in this paragraph format that I'm going to tell it to rewrite above in bullet format and make sentences shorter so that they fit in one page resume. Let's see if this is better. I'm going to say that sentences are still longer, make them shorter. Okay, much more concise and better. It's given me the summary based on a specific job title. So let's see how we can tailor the resume. It's given me already a lot of feedback that I can use to improve my resume. But let's say if I have a specific job description and I want to tailor it to that job description, how do I do that? So I have a job description here for a technical program management, and the title is Senior Technical Program Manager. So for this one, these are the qualifications, these are the preferred qualifications, and these are the responsibilities. So I'm just going to copy paste the responsibilities that are needed. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, using the job description below and my resume above, rewrite the resume to fit this job description. I'm going to copy paste the job description, and one tip is that if you want a blank space in this prompt, use the shift and enter together. This is on a Windows system, so use the shift and enter, and that adds a new line. Okay, so I already have copied the job responsibilities and I'm going to enter them. Okay, so this is giving me pretty nice formatted resume. Let's see. It has already given me the professional summary. It's highlighted some skills, rewrote some things. That's nice. I can also ask, based on this job description, showcase 10 relevant skills that I should highlight. Okay, so it's given me 10 skills that I should highlight. Then I can tell it a follow-up prompt. Can you rewrite above resume using these skills? Okay, there you have it. So it's also added this additional skills and certification sections below. Make sure that it is correct, it is true. Sometimes ChatGPT will make things up. So don't just copy paste it as is. Make sure that you review it. So there you have it. We used the ChatGPT prompting for resumes. You saw how we can use it to identify areas for improvement in your resume by first giving it a role. And the role was that you're an expert resume reviewer and you're a career coach. And once you post your resume, then it will start giving you advice on your specific resume. You can tailor your resume for specific job descriptions. You can highlight specific skills. You can create strong professional summaries. If you want those specific prompts that I have used, please comment below and I can get those to you in PDF format that you can easily just copy paste in your own ChatGPT. And please hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to make this content for you. I'll also be covering the LinkedIn tips using ChatGPT to improve your LinkedIn profile, using ChatGPT to optimize your job search,